This video will take you through installing the seat post adapter for your Swytch kit. Start by getting together all the tools you'll need. For this installation, you'll need a 3mm Allen key, a pair of scissors, and cable ties. Before starting, check that your ride height is compatible by making sure there is enough space under your seat for the power pack. Use the 3mm Allen key to unscrew your mount and rotate the lower half of the bracket 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Finish by fitting it onto the right-hand side screw bosses. Remove your seat post by loosening or unscrewing it. If you can't remove your seat post, continue the rest of the steps with the seat post on the bike. Measure the spaces provided against your seat post to find the correct set of spaces. For a perfect tight-fitting bracket, there should be a small gap here. Next, assemble the bracket by placing together the lower and upper bracket halves, putting any required spaces inside. To secure the mount, screw the two bracket halves together using the 3mm Allen key. Tighten in a crisscross pattern and make sure that the mount is facing in line with your seat. Check that there is enough space to open the top of the mount. If there isn't, then position the mount lower down the seat post and retighten to 2 to 3 Newton-meters of torque. Now it's time to put the seat post back on your bike and tighten it to the correct height. Next, determine which cables you need to connect to your bike. In our example, we will need the pedal sensor, display cable, and motor cable. Then calculate how many extension cables you need. Here we need only one extension cable for the motor wheel and 2 for the display. Attach the color-coded cables by aligning the arrows on the sides of the matching connectors and pushing them together. Finally, route your cables following the existing cables on your bike. If there is any excess cable, loop it back on itself and use the cable ties provided to fasten everything in place. All that's left to do is connect your power pack, set your power level, and you're ready to go. For more help, please visit support.switchbike.com.